Welcome back to this instructable video on creating a basic racing game with Scratch. Today, we're going to start coding our race car. Last video, we created 2 sprites and a background for the game. Now for new Scratch users, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the plethora of options provided. Here we see different coding options, such as motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks. We won't get into all of these options, but the best way to learn what each of them does is by playing around with them and experimenting with their uses. Luckily, there are many tutorials available for learning coders to understand more about what each function does. Right now, we're lining up our race car to where we want it to start. Once we have its exact location, let's code the car so that it will always start behind the start line. To do this, we're going to click on the Go to Position block from the Motion category. It is already set now to where the sprite's current location is. Good thing we lined the car up first. Once we add it to the event block shown that says when green flag is clicked, we can click on the green flag and the car will move to the position we coded it to. Our next step is only necessary because I want our sprite to face a different direction than the direction we created it in. Rather than facing to the right, we have the start line in place that requires the car to start facing up. This is an easy fix. Let's grab the point and direction block from the motion category, add it to our when flag is clicked event, and change the direction to up or 0. Easy! Now let's get this car moving. Let's start by getting it to go forward. We're going to choose the event block when key is pressed. Let's change that key to the up arrow. Now, when we press the up arrow, we want the car to move forward. Let's change the number of steps though, so that our car doesn't move too fast and abruptly. But we're going to make things a little more challenging for players. This car has no brakes, so we're going to code the car to move forward continuously. To do this, we're adding the forever block to the event block. Anything that is put inside the forever block will continually go on forever. As you can see, our car might be moving a little too fast. This could work for a challenging game, but we're going to make it move a few less steps instead. Our car is in action. Let's code it to turn now. Similar to how we got the car to move forward, we're going to grab the when key is pressed block. Let's change the key to the right arrow. Then we're going to add the motion block, turn 15 degrees. Now, when we're moving and press the right key, the car turns slightly. The more you press the right arrow, the more the car turns to the right. Now let's do the same thing, but with the left arrow, turning left 15 degrees. So, we have a moving car. While this is fun, it's not a complete game yet. Our car can drive all over the place with no stipulations. In the next instructable video, we'll work on keeping the car on a track and see what happens when the car does go off track.